Hello friends, my name is Shilpi. Welcome to my channel Wholesome Food. So today we are making an amazing dish called Methi Muthiya, which is basically a steamed dumpling of whole wheat flour, besan and semolina with the bursting flavors of methi leaves, that's fenugreek leaves. Guys, this is a perfect recipe for your breakfast, for your evening snacks, and also it is a good cider for your main course meal. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button icon to get notified for all my upcoming videos. We will begin with making a soft dough. In this bowl, I have taken a cup of whole wheat flour. I am adding half cup besan to it, that is chickpea flour. Adding about 5 teaspoons of semolina here, that's fine Sooji. Salt as per taste. About half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Half teaspoon of anise seeds. 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda. Do not skip adding it, as without leavening agent our muthiya will not be that fluffy. Garlic and green chili paste. Adding half cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of any cooking oil. I am mixing them a little. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric and thoroughly washed and chopped methi leaves. Knead them well. It would be very soft and slightly sticky dough, and that's perfectly okay. That's what we need for making this recipe. Divide the dough into equal parts and make a cylindrical shape like this. Repeat this process for all. Now they are ready for steaming. We will move on to now steamer part. I am pouring some water in a pot and I will bring it to boil. Once the water is boiled, put the mashed dish on top. Here I am brushing it with some oil so that the muthiyas don't stick to it. Now place the dumplings loosely one by one. Make sure they are not very congested here, because once they cook they will be steamed up, they will be fluffy, so they would need more space. Cover the lid of the pot and let them steam for around 10 to 15 minutes. Open the lid carefully and touch them to see if they are done. If they look non-sticky and they are fluffy, then you are good to take them out. Let them cool completely before we slice them and further garnish. In this pan I have prepared a tempering of mustard seeds and sesame seeds. I will toss my slices in the pan so as everything coats them evenly. I am not using any spatula because it would break the slices. This step of garnishing them and tossing them in a pan would give your muthiya the beautiful color and it would add to their crispiness. Our dish is completely ready now. I hope you guys give it a try and share it with your family and friends, and please let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Till then, bye bye and take care.